Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the only way to get nighttime data. Obtaining reliable information after sunset can be incredibly difficult, as traditional visual methods often fail. We'll explore why standard approaches fall short and introduce a specialized technique that overcomes these limitations. This method is essential for gathering critical insights when light conditions are at their lowest, ensuring comprehensive data collection around the clock. The singular solution for many night data challenges is thermal imaging. Unlike conventional cameras that rely on ambient light, thermal cameras sense the infrared energy emitted by all objects. This means they can see in absolute darkness, through smoke, and even light fog. This capability makes them the only effective tool for capturing certain types of data when zero visibility is a factor, providing a distinct advantage. Thermal imaging functions by detecting the heat radiated from objects. Every object with a temperature above absolute zero emits infrared energy, which these specialized sensors capture. The camera then translates these invisible heat patterns into a visual image, where warmer areas appear brighter and cooler areas darker. This allows for precise identification and analysis, even when objects are camouflaged or obscured from visible light. The applications for thermal imaging are extensive, ranging from public safety and surveillance to environmental studies and industrial maintenance. By providing continuous data collection capabilities, it ensures 24-hour operational awareness. This technology significantly enhances safety by detecting unseen threats or equipment malfunctions. Its ability to deliver consistent, high-quality data regardless of light conditions makes it an indispensable and often the only viable option for critical nighttime data acquisition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.